Hello, ladies. If you're just tuning in, I am going to do an eyeshadow tutorial. If you're following these streaks of videos where I started with my hair, I did a really quick application on my face makeup with my highlight and contour. I did a lip contouring, or not lip contouring, lip fullness video. And then I just did a nose contour video. So if you're just tuning in, I'm here for eyeshadow tutorial. Otherwise, if you're still along for the ride, thank you for still following. All right, I am going to, I like to start by making a base with our color Cupcake. No matter what color I am going to be applying. Cupcake is like just a very cream ivory colored eyeshadow that I just use as like a base for everything, to create, kind of get rid of any like redness I might have had, vein poppage, something like that. Let me try. This is an experiment because if you've been watching, here we go. I'm just struggling with the lighting today, so this is better. Okay. So now what I'm gonna do is create a look for today. I always usually go off of my outfit. I'm in like a camouflaged sweatshirt because it's Sunday. So I feel like normally, I think last time I did a video, it was purples. So maybe we'll do a little bit. I mean, it's Sunday. I feel not quite like a smoky eye on a Sunday. Maybe I'll do that another time. So I'm gonna do like still a grayish, creamy gray look. I'll just try that. Okay, I'm going to use, so I used Cupcake. Stardust is a gray shimmery color. Look how pretty that is. And I'm gonna start with that in my inner crease. I like to go shimmery in the inner crease because that's, I don't know, you kind of see that right away with people. I'm using our eyeshadow brush and I just kind of do the inside crease of it. I got like 3 mirrors going on right now. You can see. I go about, let's just say 1/3 of the way with that shimmery color. Okay. It's light, but hopefully you can see it kind of stopped right where my pupil is. Okay, so then what I'm gonna do is more of the matte look to finish completing the eye, but not a really dark matte because I want a dark color in my crease and at the edges. So I think what I'm gonna use is Oak. Oak is actually more of a brown than a gray. Let me just see. I don't think I do not yet. I don't have like a light gray. So to me, Oak still kind of blends nicely with that Stardust because it's not too dark where you can tell that they're two totally kind of contrasting colors. So I finished the eye with Oak. Okay, so then what I'm gonna do is my crease. And again, I'm not going for like a real smoky eye dramatic. I mean, I could be done right now even, but for the tutorial, for all of you, I'm gonna keep going. And I think what I'm gonna use is Trust, which is what I use to fill in my eyebrows. I'm just thinking, let's do it. It is darker than I was kind of in my head picturing, but because I'm gonna kind of blow it off a little. Our eyeshadow is very pigmented, which is awesome because a lot goes a little way. Nope, opposite. The opposite of what I just said is accurate. A little goes a long way. So, and notice when I'm doing this, I'm keeping my eye open, especially if you have hooded eyes. You want to be able to see like still the darkness, the dark crease that other people see. So I used to always just do it with my eye closed and do my crease. And then sometimes I'd open my eye and be like, oh no, you can't see it, it's gone. So do it. Put your crease on with your eyes open and just go probably above where you would normally go. Okay, and I'm gonna blend this down too, because like I said, normally when I would close my eye like this, and I'd go on my crease, and it would go in there real nicely, but I wouldn't really have it up here, and then I was like, open my eyes, gone. Wait, where'd it go? Where'd it go? So keep those beauty eyes open, beautiful eyes open. All right, smudged it, so then just boop, boop, boop. Erase it, pretend like it never happened. Okay, so that is pretty much how I would finish this look. So not too, I mean, a little bit of a smoky eye. This is like a daytime smoky eye. If it was night, I'd probably go a little more dramatic. But I will finish it off with my eyeliner and my mascara. I mean, I'll just keep going. You can turn it off if you don't want to see that part. And obviously, Seint does not carry a mascara yet. Hopefully they do soon, that'd be really cool. We do have a Black Friday eyeliner, but it's like a, I don't even have it because I gave it to my mom. It's a creamish, powdery. Personally, it's not my favorite. So I just like the liquid, pointy tipped eyeliners. But now my mom tried the Black Friday eyeliner and she loved it. So I was like, perfect. It's all yours. Okay, let's see if I can do this. Usually I'm like pulling, I'm two-handed. I'm gonna have to do it in here because I pull my eye out. Why? I don't know why I am so challenged with using my phone as a mirror. I just cannot quite get that mastered yet. I've been practicing, okay? I've been making videos. I'm just not there yet. It'll come. I don't know. I've always just had to do my makeup like right in front of the mirror. Plaster myself right in front of the mirror. Whereas some people can do it like right here and just look back and do their makeup, and I'm like, how do you see what you're doing? I can't do that. So I'm always like, hello, hello. Right up in there. Get right up in there. But hey, if you can do it without seeing every single pore in your face, good for you. Good for you. All right. The mascara I'm using is the Falsies Lash Lift by Maybelline. You can get it anywhere, any drugstore, Target, Walmart, Walgreens, CVS. You can probably get it at your local grocery store. Just kidding, maybe not, but I've tried more expensive mascaras from like Ulta, gone and got the fancier kinds, and to me there's not much of a difference. So if you like those kinds and you like spending $20 on your mascara, hey, get on with your bad self. Go ahead and do that, but I'm just more of a $10 mascara kind of gal, because I just don't really notice much of a difference. And I like Maybelline. I've used Maybelline for, how long have I been wearing makeup? Probably 22 years. I feel like I started with the basic that pink one with the green cap that everybody uses is like your starter. I feel like it's your starter. And then I just kept going with Maybelline. Never was a CoverGirl fan. Only Maybelline. Some L'Oreal, but. All right, and my eyes are done. So the look is now completed. Could add a little, we do have some cream, I think 3 or 4 creams, eyeshadows. Maybe it's only 3. So I recently just got them. I got 2 of the 3. So you know what, let's just have a little fun. You know how to turn the video off if you want to be done with me and you're like, shut up. So maybe I'm gonna use Tangled. Okay, it's this, back in there, this color. I'm gonna use that right under my brow. I just grabbed a brush. This is my smudge brush. I'm gonna go up here with that. That's not a, just use that as like an illuminator. I don't know if that's showing up or not. It's pretty, you know, okay, so here it is. See it? I might have to use it with my finger. It's not as creamy as I was picturing, actually. So you're getting a little bit of a review on our cream shadow. I was picturing like a cream like our facial creams, our illuminator creams. It's not quite that creamy, which is totally fine. Because it's not a powder, so I guess that's why you call it a cream, but anyway. So there, now I have a little bit of illuminator. I didn't put any illuminator on my cheeks, but they have that appearance right now, right here and right here, because I put Petal on them. One of our lip colors, Petal. This one, let me double check, pretty sure that's Petal. This is the time when I'll look back and be like, that was not Petal. See, it's a good thing I did. That is Hopelessly Devoted. Hopelessly Devoted. Oh my God, I was just telling my daughter about Grease yesterday, actually, and we ordered it and we're gonna watch it tomorrow. That is not Petal, so I'm glad I did look, because it's not Petal. I don't even know if I have Petal. Why was I thinking that was Petal? I might have Petal, I don't know. But this shimmery look on my high cheekbones here is Hopelessly Devoted. Not Petal, not Petal. But it has that shimmery look, so I don't even have to put an illuminator. Still could, but. All right, I'm gonna stop yakking all over the place. Yeah, rambling. Have a fantastic day. Please subscribe and like this video if you haven't, and I will talk to you all soon. Bye.